What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and today we're going to be checking out the dual EPYC 7742 on Veruscoin. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be using all 16 sticks. We're going to be testing hash rates and power consumption. That is 8 sticks per CPU. We're then going to drop it down to 2 sticks total, which is 1 stick per CPU, and see if the hash rate changes at all. Veruscoin on any of my other CPUs that I have ever tested on has not mattered on how much RAM you actually had. So single, dual, quad, the channels did not matter. So we're going to see if it matters on the dual EPYC. When it came to Ghost Rider, we did find that it did like more sticks, which was weird compared to everything else. But now we are trying Veruscoin, so let's see what happens. All right, so here we are with a single stick of RAM in each CPU on Veruscoin using SRB miner, and HiveOS is telling us, do a quick refresh here, 217.5 mega hash at the wall. We are about 519 watts. Now, if we do actually SSH in, we can see that it's telling us anywhere between 232 mega hash, 237, 194, and at the pool here on Rabid pools here, yes, I do have a Veruscoin mining pool. We're at about 234.5 mega hash, so that's very interesting. So here we are, upwards around, we're over 200 mega hash regardless here, so it's interesting to say. Now the dashboard here is still only saying 210, 217, but we can see we're hitting peaks of upwards of 237 mega hash. Okay, so here we are, Veruscoin with 8 sticks of RAM per CPU, all 16 slots utilized, and we're about 221.9 mega hash in HiveOS. If we shell in, we can see we are at 248, 197, 232, pretty much exactly where we were, maybe slightly higher on some of these, I guess, but we're about at the same point as we were with just a single stick of RAM in each CPU. So memory, it does not matter with the dual EPYC when it comes to Veruscoin. And at the wall, we were sitting around 538 to 539 watts. All right, so now we're gonna look at the spreadsheet here to see what hash to watt and everything kind of looks like. We got 8 sticks, which is actually 16 sticks total. That is 8 sticks per CPU versus the 1 stick. So we have about 241 mega hash is what it peaked upwards, and on a single stick it was 237 mega hash. 538 watts versus 518 watts. Obviously more RAM does use more power. Our worst efficiency, which is still pretty good efficiency, was 0.44 with all 16 sticks, 8 per CPU, and our best efficiency was 0.45 on our single stick. Now moving on and comparing this versus the single EPYC, we can see that we were a bit more efficient on the dual EPYC when both CPUs had 8 sticks in here at 0.44 versus 0.432. But at a single stick, the single EPYC was a slight bit more efficient at 0.467 versus 0.45. Obviously here, these are very close efficiency numbers. It's not really going to do anything. It's not going to make or break you towards the end of the day between which rig you do run on Veruscoin, but we are seeing that the efficiencies are pretty close. Well, there we have it. It doesn't look like RAM really plays any issue when it comes to mining Veruscoin. Just like what we've seen with the single EPYC and all my 3900 other Ryzen, every CPU I have tested Veruscoin on in the past. Now it's looking like the efficiencies are pretty close with the dual EPYC versus the single EPYC here. We are slightly bit more efficient here, but it's not really making a difference here between the two. So some coins we are seeing the single EPYC is a pretty decent gap, a little more efficient, but here it looks pretty close to the same between the CPUs. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.